Hello all, this is Aishwarya from EC department. I am currently working as an assistant professor at SNS Institutions. So today I welcome you all for this session. It's about clipper, and a clipper is basically consisting of two types. One is positive clipper, another one is negative clipper. Okay, so these types were derived from the V reference signal. Okay, so this is the diagram for positive clipper. So in this diagram we have two resistors and one diode signal and one amplifier. So in this clipper circuit we will apply the input to this non-inverting terminal and we will connect the rheostat for adjusting the V reference signals. Okay, and the load resistance and the diode D1. So how it works means, whenever I apply a signal to this inverting terminal and the V reference, so a clipper means to clip off some of the portion, okay, some of the portion from this input, okay, from this input, and we will get the desired waveform. Okay, so the clip off signal will be fixed by this V reference signal. Okay, so we just discuss how it works. So I apply the input signal to this non-inverting terminal, and by using this V reference I adjust the value. So I just assume here the voltage is 2 volt. Okay, the voltage input is -2 and plus 2, totally 4 volt. Okay, I just now applying a positive V reference signal, so that I will applying here, that is 1.5. Okay, so that I just applying that 1.5 signal to this signal. Okay, so the positive clipping means that positive side, that 1. So here is plus 2 volt, that 1.5. Okay, so 1.5 means the waveform will be as usual will be increased, but that stage of 1.5 goes to DC signal, that is it goes to a negative signal. Again it will be worked like this. Again it will be worked like this. Same again it goes to the signal peak level, but in this stage of 1.5 volt, again it goes to 0 volt. Then it moves like this. Okay, so the positive side will be clipped here. Okay, so this is what about the positive clipper. So the negative clipper means we will change this diode position only, so that this will be positioned like this. Okay, we apply input signal to this non-inverting terminal and we will get the signal here. That is a positive signal means I applying positive signal here, plus into plus plus, so that will the diode will be activated. So in this time we will get the output here. Okay, so but the reference signal, we will check the reference signal. So for this negative clip off, so I just apply 1.5 minus 1.5 volt here, so that the signal is run like this. That is the positive side will be increased as usual the peak, but in this negative this minus 1.5 volt. So in this stage it goes to 0 and then it will be increased. Okay, so same positive side will be continued. So this is what about your positive clipper and negative clipper. So I applying a positive signal to this circuit, we will get the output, and I applying negative signal to this circuit. So in this stage, okay, in this stage there is no connection to this diode, because positive into negative, so negative. So this diode will be going to off condition, so that this as per this V reference signal we will clip off that signal and then we will get the desired output here. Okay, same as format for the positive clipper. So positive clipper means the diode position will be like this, right? So in this condition applying positive signal to this amplifier, plus into plus plus, so the plus signal is given to this cathode terminal, so that there is no signal is flowing through after this diode, so that the positive clipper will be going to this reference signal. That reference signal will be clipped off the positive portion. But you see the negative half cycle, so So negative half cycle will be applied to this inverting terminal, non-inverting terminal. Negative plus plus into minus. So minus signal means this diode will be activated so that we will get the what are the output we are given in this input stage. The same signal is produced in this output. Okay. So this is what about positive cycle. In negative cycle, what is I tell you? That is positive. We are applying a positive signal, half cycle means same voltage will be, we will get in the output, right? So in this negative stage, there is no connection to this diode, so that we go to the V reference signal. So in this V reference signal, they are applying the reference signal here, so that we will clip off the balance portion. So this is what about the positive clipper output signal and the negative clipper output signal. Okay. So this is the construction and working of the clipper. Thank you.